how to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. Now in settings, you should have an option voice chat that you can toggle on or off. So if it's not available, what we're going to do is from your home screen, open up Roblox, then tap on more. Next, we go down and tap on settings. Now normally you would be able to go into privacy and content restrictions, then go into communication, and you should be able to find it in here. If it's not in here, we go back and then tap on account info at the top. Next, in here, make sure you verify your phone number and email. You need to verify your phone number so that it can enable voice chat. Also, you need to be 13 plus. Your age must be over 13 for voice chat to be enabled. So check your age and make sure you verify your ID. Sometimes you need to verify your ID and your birthday before it will work. So make sure you do that. Verify your age first. After you have verified your age ID, go back and then we try to go into privacy again and tap on communication. And if in here voice chat is still not enabled, what we can do is go back all the way back to your settings page in here, then go down and tap on help and safety, then go into help. In the search box, type in voice chat and then tap on voice chat recording, and then scroll all the way down and tap on need more help or contact support here. Next, we fill in the username, your name and email address. Okay, so put in your details and then we go down and select device type. Now scroll down and tap on Android phone or iPhone and then select the category. So in here we scroll down and then select how to and then how to general. Now put in your issue, then tap on the continue button, enter in the one-time code. Okay, if it asks you, then verified, and that's it. Give it a go and see how you go. Now if it still does not work on your mobile phone, sometimes it's easy if you go to your computer on your PC and try to activate it from your computer. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.